Good evening, everybody. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. And if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to use Google Maps to download offline maps and use it wherever you like. At first, you need to open up Google Maps. And after you do this, you need to click on your profile on the top right corner. After you click that, many options will be shown, but you need to click on offline maps right here below location sharing. After you click on that, you need to click on select your own map on the top right here, and clicking on that, you just need to set the area that you like to download. So I like the Kathmandu area, so a little more. You can even adjust it like this. So I want this whole Kathmandu area, and after you have picked the area you like to download, you just click on download, and it will be done in few minutes. So as you guys can see now that my map has already been downloaded of Kathmandu right here, and after you click on this, you can delete or update it. You can even update the name of your map according to your needs, and you can download multiple number of offline maps. As you can see right here, I have downloaded of Gandaki province and Pokhara. You can even edit the name of this like anything you like. I only like Gandaki, so let me keep that. So as you can see, it's already been updated, and after you click on this three dot icon, you can either view, update, rename, or delete. So I believe I've taught you guys how to use Google Maps and how to download offline maps on Google Maps. So if you guys found this video helpful or interesting, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.